Hey everyone! Welcome to our exciting tutorial on the World Wide Web, or as we like to call it, the WWW.
Hi, Bill. I'm excited to learn more about it. So what exactly is the World Wide Web?
Great question, Laura. The World Wide Web is a system of interlinked hypertext documents that you can access through the Internet. Basically, it allows us to view and navigate web pages filled with all sorts of content like text, images, and videos.
That sounds fascinating, but who actually invented the web?
The web was invented in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee, a British computer scientist. Can you believe it became publicly accessible just 2 years later in 1991?
That's amazing. So what are some of the key technologies that make the web work?
There are 3 essential technologies that are the backbone of the web. The first one is HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is like the skeleton of a web page. It structures the content we see online.
Oh, so HTML is how we build web pages. What about the second technology?
Exactly. The second key technology is HTTP, which stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is like the protocol or the set of rules that allows web browsers to communicate with servers and retrieve web pages.
So, HTTP is what enables us to view those pages, right? That sounds really important.
You got it. And the last tech you need to know is URL, or Uniform Resource Locator. It's essentially the address of a web page. When you type a URL into your browser, it knows where to go to find the content you want.
Wow, I'd never thought of it that way. So, if we didn't have URLs, we wouldn't even be able to find anything on the web.
Precisely. And over the years, the web has evolved significantly. After the early days, we entered an era known as Web 2.0.
Web 2.0, what exactly does that mean, Bill?
Good question. Web 2.0 refers to the shift towards a more interactive web experience. Users started to create and share their own content instead of just being passive consumers. Think social media platforms, blogs, and sites that allow user engagement.
Oh, so that's when we saw the rise of platforms like Facebook and YouTube.
Exactly. And this shift really transformed how we communicate and interact online. The web became more than just a place to visit. It became a community.
That's really cool. So what's the impact of the World Wide Web on our society and culture today?
The impact is massive. The web is now fundamental to modern communication, commerce, and information sharing. It influences everything from how we shop to how we connect with friends and family.
It's incredible to think we can do so much from the comfort of our homes. But are there downsides to this web evolution?
Absolutely, Laura. With great power comes great responsibility. While the web has made life easier, it's also led to challenges like misinformation, data privacy concerns, and cyberbullying.
Wow, I hadn't considered that aspect. How can we navigate the web safely?
Great question. Here are a few tips. First, always verify information you find online from multiple reliable sources. Second, keep your personal information private. And third, be respectful and kind while interacting with others on the web.
Thanks for those tips. So as a final thought, how do you see the future of the World Wide Web?
The future looks bright. We might see advancements in areas like virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and more personalized web experiences. It's a thrilling time to be part of this digital evolution.
I can't wait to see how the web continues to change. Thanks, Bill, for all this fantastic information today.
No problem, Laura. Thanks for joining us, everyone. We hope you learned something new about the World Wide Web today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.
See you next time, everyone. Stay connected.
Bye-bye.